Okay, today I'm going to show you how to find an issue, the beginnings of the troubleshooting process, a multi-point frame relay connection with ospf. We are not going to troubleshoot it completely, but I'm going to show you how to show IP routes and ping interfaces that we haven't really pinged before. So we are going to start. We click on the admin button for the PC admin. We're going to go to the web browser. Now, as you can tell in this net, here is Paris and here's London. These are two areas we're going to be trying to connect to. So we're going to go www.xparis.com and see Paris is working. Now let's see if we can get to London. www.xlond with a D, lond.com, and we'll see if we can get to London. Okay, the request timed out. So what it looks like here is that we go from here to router 1 out to the cloud, and Paris works, so this router is connected correctly. But there is an issue somehow with this router. So we've gotten that far. Now we are going to go to the command prompt and we're going to try and ping 10.1.2.50. Destination host unreachable. So we've tried this before. So what it's saying is that it can't get. There's something in these three areas that is wrong. Okay, still sitting on New York admin. Now a new button we haven't got to use before too much. Oops, is terminal. And we're just going to click OK. Oops. Let's try this again. So, router 1. We are going to show IP route. Number 1 is not an open connection. So right here and right here, you see we got 10.1.1.0 and 10.1.3.0. So the issue is in 10.1.2.0. That is where the issue is at. So now we're going to go a little further in this. We are going to ping the interfaces on router 0 because router 0 is where the issue is. And perhaps we can figure out which interface is the issue. And that's the purpose of today, is to find out where the issue is. So the inside interface is fine. So if it's not working, my best guess is that it must be on the outside interface, which is 10.1.2.1, and it times out, it fails. Now if I was going to be troubleshooting this further, I would click on 10.0 and be looking at some of its configuration issues. 10.1.2.1 so you could come here show IP config and we'll look and you can do everything you can think of. Oh, cannot type today. So you could just be looking around trying to figure it out. One of the best things you could do is be looking for other commands to run. So we are going to show so there's no VLAN. See if we can span the tree. Show spanning tree. Sorry. Spanning dash tree. And that is, see if we can telnet it. But so there's the start of trying to figure out how to troubleshoot with ospf. Some other quick things we can look at. For router 0, our address is correct. Fast Ethernet on A looks correct. Subnet mask. Is correct. So let's see if we can interface our fast Ethernet. 0-0. Nope, that is not a good command. So we've used our various tools. This is when we would pass it on to a help desk or to somebody. We would escalate it. Okay, this subnet mask looks incorrect. Should be 252. See if that made any difference. So the request timed out. This is how you would go about trying to find the issue with any of your products. So I have one more thing I want to try down here. IP ospf network broadcast. Oops. And that did not do what I wanted it to do, so but this is how you would begin, especially using terminal, and terminal is a pretty interesting thing. We did not troubleshoot this all the way. Like I said, this is where we would pass it on to somebody with more experience. I hope this helps you to understand what the process is when you're trying to troubleshoot.